Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to talk to you about foods, and I'm going to talk to you about some of my favorite foods in America. So, the first food I want to talk about is this one. Can anyone tell me what this favorite food of mine is? If you said hamburger, you're correct. Another one of my favorites is this one. If you said pizza, you were correct. Sometimes I really like this one. If you said salad, that you're correct. I like to eat this one during the summer. If you said apple, you're correct. I also like to eat this during a picnic in the summer. If you said grapes, you are correct. This is something that I like to eat on a hot day. If you said watermelon, that's correct. This one, rabbits like to eat, but I like to eat it too. If you said carrots, you're correct. I also like to eat this one in my salads. If you said lettuce, you are correct. This is another thing that I like to eat in my salad. You said celery, you are correct. This one is my all-time favorite vegetable. If you said tomato, you are correct. This is something that I like to eat on Thanksgiving dinner. If you said turkey, you're correct. This is one of my favorite desserts. You're right, it's chocolate. This is something that I eat on my birthday. It's cake! This is not one of my favorite foods. I absolutely do not like these at all. It's a hot dog. Thanks for listening to me and talk about my favorite foods. I hope you enjoyed.